Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by exporting and backing up the world you plan to upload so you can restore if something fails. Once done, sign into the Java launcher with the same account that owns or administers the realm. Permissions matter. Make sure you know the realm's current version and tell players to log off. Export as a. Zip from your saves folder and keep a copy outside the Minecraft directory. This prevents accidental overwrites and gives you a quick rollback point. You now upload the exported world to the realm via Minecraft Java's Realms menu. Select Configure and pick Upload World. Once you choose your zip file and slot, set game rules, difficulty, and active data packs because those affect gameplay immediately. If you use mods or a server jar, verify compatibility with the realm. Realms supports only Vanilla Plus allowed data packs. While Minecraft uploads, monitor the progress bar and confirm the final world size so you don't exceed limits. Finish by starting the realm and joining immediately to test spawn points, permissions, and redstone or command block systems. If issues appear, make sure the world version matches the realm's allowed version. Mismatches cause missing blocks or errors. Disable or remove incompatible data packs and re-upload if needed. Should corruption or persistent failures occur, restore your local zip back up to the same slot, and if the problem persists, contact Mojang support with your realm ID and error details for deeper assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.